Hello everyone and welcome back. So I want to quickly go through some things on the Figma website, okay? Before we actually proceed into the Figma user interface, right? Okay, so we have Figma products. Figma has other products apart from designing. It has the dev mode, FigJam, Fig Slides, FigDraw, FigBoss, FigSite, and others. Some of which we might explain in details as we go along the way. Okay, Figma's fast solution like design system, prototyping, UX design, web design, wireframe, and others. You can see the roles. You can also see the organizations. Okay, for communities, events, customer stories, uh, user groups, right? Resources. If you recall earlier, I mentioned Figma uh real big on resources. Okay, and yeah, that's that about resources. Okay, and finally, um Figma pricing. Figma has variety of pricing plan. We have the starter plan, which is free, the professional, the organization, and the enterprise, right? So basically, you starting out, you can make use of the starter free plan, right? Or you can also make use of uh, Figma is free for students and educators, right? So if you have a student email, you can verify that you're a student and you probably get access to some professional features like that here, unlike the basic starter plan, which just have these key features, right? Okay, so that's that. Okay, yeah. The So, next thing you need to do is to get started for free on Figma. Basically, you signing up with your Google email or your any email. Then you sign up. Then we'll see in the next video. Okay, make sure you sign up because we'll be moving to the Figma interface next. Thank you.